It's the Mortgage Hour, courtesy of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. Call them right now. Loan officers are standing by at 718-380-0006. Call First Republic Mortgage Bankers right now for all your purchasing and refinancing needs.
I want to remind people, of course, that they have the benefit of Tony Shafiq, who is the mortgage doctor.
That's right.
I personally take pride in that I dubbed him as the mortgage doctor, and he can give you the benefit of all his years of experience. What I wanted to bring, I saw something in the news here that I thought was very appropriate. I always talk about how right now there's so much hype, negative. You can't turn on the news or open a newspaper and not hear subprime crisis.
Right.
Subprime crisis. Now, what it's causing here is this, it says Americans aren't buying mortgage product advertising and marketing. Given all the negativity surrounding the subprime mortgage marketplace, it is no surprise that consumers have questioned the ability of the current marketing and advertising for mortgage products. According to a recent poll conducted by Harris Interactive, just 1/3, 34% of U.S. adults view the advertising and marketing of mortgage products as credible, with the majority, 66%, viewing it as not credible. In fact, 1 in 5 adults report that they view the advertising and the marketing of these products is not at all credible. Now, what this means is there's a lot of people who are listening to us who we can help who are not listening and not acting. It's understandable that with all the negativity that the average homeowner could be turned off completely from refinancing, even though they may benefit, even though they may not be in the subprime world or with a subprime lender. First Republic Mortgage Bankers was and is a small fraction of the business that we do. We use the government-backed programs with Freddie Mac, Fannie Mae, FHA, VA, Sony Mae. These are the programs that are our first responders. In other words, we use them first because we get the best possible deal. We never were part of the subprime boom, and believe me, a lot of people made a lot of money in the subprime boom, but we're not transient. We've been in this business a long time. We know what we're doing, and we stick to the basics. So those of you out there who are listening, who fit into certain categories, and I've done a lot of research, and I've noted that there are people out there who have bought their house recently who have adjustable rate mortgages. And these people are seeking help because their rates are now maturing and they're going up. However, there are a lot of people who are not seeking help who can be helped. And these are the people who've owned their house 3 years or more, and maybe as much as 30 years. And they're what I keep saying, I'm referring to it as house rich, cash poor. The profile would be somebody that's owned their house at least 3 years, has a substantial amount of credit card debt, and their payments are high because they've got a lot of credit cards. What we can do for these people, and have done for many, is we've allowed them to be able to refinance, consolidate all their debts to one low tax deductible payment, be able to take cash out if they want, and be able to do so much to improve the quality of their lives. Let me give you an example. Tony, this is one of your files. The people came in to the closing, and they were, let's say, approximately $25,000 in debt with credit cards, and their mortgage rate was high. We paid off their mortgage, gave them a nice 5.875%, the government-backed program, and consolidated all their credit card debt, and they walked out with $25,000, and their monthly payment's $850 a month less.
Absolutely, because you know why? As Scott is saying, we specialize in the conforming loan products out there which guarantee you the lowest interest rate, and by being in that position where we guarantee the lowest interest rate, you proud homeowners should take advantage of the very low rate that we are offering right now. This is an attractive rates that we are offering, especially you have the equity built up and you have that financial burden every month, month after month. It's a heavy weight. Make yourself debt free. This is the significance of it. Make yourself debt free by incorporating all your debts into one loan. You have the equity to do it, and by doing so you will relieve yourself of major financial burden at the ending of each month.
Absolutely. And the thing is, the people who have adjustables, they're feeling the pain. Their payment has gone up $500 to $1,000 a month, and they have to take action. What the problem is, the group that I consider house rich, cash poor, they're used to what they're paying. Nothing is changing. There's not a huge rate increase. They're still paying all this credit card debt. Nothing is changing to prod them into taking action other than hearing us talk about it. So right now, I want to reach out to those of you who are listening right now who own your home for at least 3 years. You have equity in your home. You have credit card debt. You're paying 7% on your mortgage or higher, or you have an adjustable, and you would like to lower your monthly payments. You'd like to get some cash out for any purpose whatsoever. You would like to see what the mortgage doctor can do for you. If you are house rich and cash poor, pick up the phone right now and call 718-325-5555. The mortgage doctor is here to help. He's going to go to work and show you the options that are available for you. I know by statistical analysis, hundreds of thousands of people within the sound of my voice in the tri-state area and beyond, because we are a multi-state lender, and with the internet, of course, everybody can hear, and actually some people listen in Jamaica. We've gotten some emails from them. I appreciate it, and we hope to see you soon. Listen, if you are house rich and cash poor, you can be helped. Your whole financial life can be turned upside down in a matter of 2 weeks with the fast track. You get approved as fast as 2 days. So, Sean, I'm going to say rid them up, and I want everybody out there who's house rich and cash poor to call Tony right now in the studio at 718-325-5555. First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Florida, South Carolina, Pennsylvania, and Maine. Headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York. Don't forget to tune in to the early ride home every Monday from 5 to 8 o'clock. And also every single day to the Winner's Circle from 11 to 12 on Link Up Radio.